When the fuck have I ever played this? I have to do those spots. But you left me no choice. You left me no choice. You're just going to continuously target me every round? Well, then I'm going to do that. I will bleed your wallet dry. What the fuck was I timed out for 10 minutes? That's going another 10 minutes. That's not the right person. You're going 10 minutes as well now, I guess. No, my graffiti! You get back here, scallywag! Oh, screw you. You can't do anything, can you? You can only explode. I'm like a giant freaking billboard. Before I said stop dying. Nah. Murder. Your corpse doesn't work. Why is your corpse so worthless? Why? What? Couldn't stop in the end, could you? All was that effort and for what? This? This is what you wanted? Your plan didn't even work out either. Nobody's playing TAF. Oh, like there's a few people, but like... Oh, that's another one gone. Don't even have to try for that one. And that's another one gone. Try all you want, run all you like. Everything always ends up to this. Doesn't it? Target me for every round. By malice. Never stopped this, did it? Never stopped it. Could have bought all the malice in the world, but you still wouldn't be able to stop this. Oh look. Just a sort of that. Another one gone. Got that. The one tripwire they landed this entire round, by the way. I landed one tripwire earlier because I was blinded. With the attempt. This man actually got a speed boost. Look what you put me through. The suffering you have done to me. And you're just gonna do the same. You're just gonna suffer the exact same fate that I had to. Again, and again, and again. You could run all you like. Try all you may, but in the end this will always be the solution. You tried the best you could. But you can never stop this from happening. This was inevitable and you knew it.
Yummy. Yummy. Let's do this. Yes.
You couldn't have done anything.
Yummy.
You could have tried as hard as you liked. You could have played the best you could. But in the end, there's always this answer. Even with all that effort, look what it ended up with. No matter what you did, no matter how hard you tried, look what this ended with. Exactly what I said it would. You couldn't have stopped this, could you? This was inevitable. Don't try this again.